I'm Jazz from the UK and we're here in Prague. I'm going to be taking you behind the scenes for our rehearsal for the Elite Model Look World Final, and we're about to go now, so come with me. So we're backstage right now and I'm just about to go on for my first walk. We're in this amazing building. I'm super excited and nervous, so wish me luck. I've just come off the runway and that was the best feeling ever. Literally the lights, the music, the atmosphere, everything is just insane. And I mean, everyone is so excited and I can't wait for the show tomorrow. So see you there.